The hell is this dude doing? Daniel! What are you doing?
Oh, hey guys. We're gonna put some Flowmasters on the shitbox. This is old Big Rhonda, as we call her in the business. All the scrap. What do we got there? Nothing better than junkyard finds. Especially when you have your own junkyard. I noticed that today. I got this thing for free, so I'm not really complaining, but
I don't know if your settings.
nice energy.
I don't know if your settings are right. It looks blown out.
We have some tippy boys. Oh, I want it out there. Yeah, that'll do. It's not gonna be pretty. Fun fact, guys, I haven't touched a welder in approximately 14 years. So, I'm just gonna, you know, cut stuff and weld stuff and see what happens. Oh, that's through. Yeah. I don't want this muffler anymore. There you go. Got it. Hey man, what's up? I beat you. You've been working on that since 11 o'clock.
I want to hear it. I've been working on this for like 30 minutes.
Lies and slander. Lies and slander.
Oh wow.
Rat's been eating the muffler.
I'd say that needed replacement.
Pretty bad. They like to eat through some metal.
They did something.
Change of plans. Flowmasters didn't fit with the frame in the way, so went back in the junk file and found some Yeehaw Boy tips. So we're just gonna see what happens now. 100% do not know what I'm doing right now. So we got Master Welder Chris is gonna teach me.
Master Welder Chris, he's gonna teach me what's up.
All right, Chris, I've been told you're now the Master Welder and you're gonna teach me things.
Yeah.
Oh, this is gonna be bad. Because neither of us are good at this.
We're gonna make it happen though.
What am I doing, Chris?
Other one. Oh, hey. Other one.
Okay.
Open it. Alright. Take your clamp.
Here's your clamp.
Oh, grounding. We'll put this
Yeah.
on the exhaust.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see if I could use common sense to figure out how to weld. See, I was at least smart enough to clean it up a little bit. Look right there.
Alright, do it.
Alright, ready? I'm just gonna pack this first.
You gotta do more than that. That sounded good. That's what you want to hear. Hit in another spot. These are MagnaFlow tips.
I know. I saw that. I was like, God damn it.
Right. That's the sound you want. You want, go get it.
Oh, it seems shit. I keep getting stuck because I hit the ground.
You lay down there.
That's so bad. Oh God, this is why this isn't my mate. This isn't my job.
That's the sound you want for sure.
This is like dodgy shit. It's so bad. It's like elephant.
Oh God, I see the gap on top.
Yeah, I don't know how the element get all that.
Use these over here. Look on the side. No. Bring your finger over. Up and down on that. No. Bring it back. Bring it back. Finger. Bring your finger back. Yeah, right there. Just go up and down for in and out.
This is a prime example of my buddy can do it cheaper.
Spin that real quick right there.
So bad. It's crooked.
All right, let's put her on, dude.
Don't look like it's hot enough.
Rate your work, Dan.
So was I too fast? Going too fast then? 1 out of 10.
If it's not hot enough and you're going too slow, then it's just gonna bulge up like that. So this is slid inside there.
Nope.
No, there's butter up.
Is it buddied up? No. So that's gonna be a little bit harder, but see how kind of flat that is right there? A little bit. But that's too fast.
Okay.
That's too fast. That's just not hot enough, and you're sitting there. You know what I mean? So it needs to be harder.
So fun fact, welding's super not easy like I thought it would have been in the first place, given I knew I wasn't going to be any good at it. So it's pretty terrible, but we got some yee boy tips, and they're actually symmetrical. So at least my cutting was lined up properly. Too bad the cat makes it sound completely like it did before, which is an ultimate failure. But you know what? Whatever. First time welding, learn some stuff. Definitely have to practice a ton more. But, whew. Yeah. I mean, does the job, I guess.